Guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to open Google Sheets in Windows 10 PC or laptops. So guys, this is very simple. Firstly, open any Google browser. After, click on three dots menu. Scroll down and here option Sheets. So click on this option and here click that is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to open Google Sheets in Windows 10 PC. Very easy. Firstly, open any browser. After, click on this option, scroll down, click on Sheets. After, click on there, that is. So this is very easy and simple method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.